Okay, number 3, there are different parts of this question. So let's figure out the first one there, g of negative 3. So that means we're plugging in negative 3 in the g function. So it's negative 3 squared plus 4, 9 plus 4. So the answer for A is 13. For part B, we're doing a composition of functions, f of g of negative 3. We always work with the one that's closest to the number, which is the g function. We already did g of negative 3 in part A, which the answer was 13. So now I'm going to take that answer and do f of 13. So I'm going to plug 13 in for my f function. So 2 times 13 minus 6 over 13 squared. So it's 169 in the denominator. 13 times 2 minus 6 is 20. 20 over 169 is the answer for B. The g function now, let's bring it down here. Part C is asking you to find f of g of x. So that means I'm going to take my g and plug it inside the f function because g is closest to the number if it was there. So when I go ahead and replace every single x in that f function with the g, this is what it comes out to be, and then x squared plus 4 squared. So I need to work this out. So on the top is easy enough. Distribute the 2 inside. So I get 2x squared plus 8 minus 6. On the bottom now, this means I'm actually doing x squared plus 4 times x squared plus 4. I'm going to FOIL it out. So I got x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus another 4x squared plus 16. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. So I get 2x squared plus 2 divided by x to the 4th plus 8x squared plus 16. So this is f of g of x. Alright, D is asking you to find the inverse of g. Alright, so again, to find the inverse, you're interchanging the x with the y. So it's going to say x equals y squared plus 4. I'm going to solve it for y, subtract 4. Then I need to get rid of the square, so I'm going to square root both sides. So the inverse of g is the square root of x minus 4. Now E is asking you to figure out, well, what is the inverse of g function if I replace 20 for x? So I'm going to take the answer I just got from D, plug in 20 for x. So I get the square root of 20 minus 4, which is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So E, the answer is 4.